If you're trying to decide between Proton VPN and Windscribe, you've probably heard claims about Proton being the best overall and Windscribe boasting the best transparency policy. But what does that really mean for you? Stick around, because we're diving into the details and comparing these two services head to head. Let's start with Proton VPN. First off, Proton VPN has earned its reputation as the best overall in terms of features, performance, and user experience. Offering a well-rounded service, Proton VPN stands out with its robust security, reliable speeds, and global server network. It also has a strong reputation for protecting user privacy, thanks to its strict no-logs policy and based in Switzerland jurisdiction. Proton's free plan gives users access to some decent servers, but it's the paid plans that unlock its full potential. Next, let's look at Windscribe, which, while it might not be the best overall, comes in strong with its transparency policy. Windscribe has set a high bar for openness with users. It regularly publishes security audits, server locations, and even a detailed privacy policy. Unlike many competitors, Windscribe has also been through independent third-party audits, which is something not all VPN providers can claim. Their free plan offers 10 gigabytes of data per month, which is a pretty generous option compared to other VPNs. Now, diving into performance, Proton VPN definitely pulls ahead in terms of connection speed and reliability. With a massive server network, Proton ensures users don't experience throttling or slowdowns, even on more distant servers. It supports streaming in HD, which is essential for users who need reliable access to content across different regions. Windscribe, on the other hand, offers good speeds but has fewer servers than Proton. It may not be the best option for streaming high bandwidth content like 4K videos or gaming, although it performs decently in general. Next thing, security. Both services offer excellent encryption standards and secure protocols, but Proton VPN offers additional features like secure core servers, which route your traffic through multiple countries to enhance privacy. Windscribe also has strong security measures, including a double VPN option and its own firewall, but it lacks Proton's unique secure core feature. The fourth thing we need to discuss is price. Proton VPN's paid plans are on the pricier side, especially for long-term subscriptions, but they're packed with high-end features and great customer support. Windscribe, in contrast, is more affordable, especially if you opt for their yearly plan. You'll get decent value for money, but the fewer premium features could leave power users wanting more. When it comes to the transparency policy, Windscribe stands out above Proton VPN. While Proton is good about privacy, Windscribe goes the extra mile in showcasing its openness with regular security audits, independent verifications, and a clear, accessible privacy policy. If transparency is a top priority for you, Windscribe's policy is definitely impressive. So which one's better? If overall quality is what you're after, strong security, fast speeds, and a great user experience, Proton VPN is tough to beat. But if you're looking for a VPN that provides complete transparency, Windscribe is your pick, thanks to its open privacy practices and independent audits. That said, both of these VPNs are strong contenders, but after testing both, I'd say there's a better alternative if you're looking for the best of both worlds. For a service that combines great performance, security, and transparency with a more competitive pricing model, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for the best free trial you won't find anywhere else. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are available only to our viewers. So don't miss out. Check it out now and see how it stacks up against Proton VPN and Windscribe for your needs.